Hello and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. We're looking at GBPUSD for this week's analysis. So taking a look into the charts and what's happened last week, we can see that we've had this extended run to the upside, so this impulse move. And as you can see, we've started to trail off now. We had a rejection at 1300, so that's obviously a psychological level where people are taking in their profits. So there's two ways we can go about this. So we have the yellow reversal zone here that is at 1030, so basically at the 103 mark, and what we would look to see is if price can reach up to this zone and see if it closes above, and then we would wait for the rejection to the downside, so wicks flashing to the downside, and it must close within this area, and then a push to the upside, so a bullish sentiment. That's just what we're looking for an upside move. And now for the second route, if that fails to close above and we're seeing wicks to the upside, we will see rejection in this area, and then a push to the downside to test our red zone. Now, if price continues to fall down to the downside and doesn't reach this area, we're looking for price to reach our red zone, and this is at confluence with our weekly area as well. Sorry, weekly level. This area is between 1.2585 and 1.2529. Now, this area is also confluence with other support areas here as well. So there's a lot more confluences in here, and I do believe this is also a fib retrace. Yeah, so roughly in between the 0.5 and 0.618 retracement here. So there's a lot of confluences around this area, so that's why I'm paying attention to this point. But same thing here, we would be waiting for price to reach this area and see if there's wicks to the downside, which indicate rejection, just similarly, roughly like how it looks like here, but in this obviously now, and then we would look for bullish sentiment to the upside, and hopefully we could get reach our TP level to the upside, and if not, replicate this move to the upside, so potentially reaching our next weekly levels to the upside. But obviously make sure you're trading with your risk management and etc. So that will be all for this week's analysis. If you do get any benefit from our videos, make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and also check out our Twitter page for more anything you can ask questions, etc. And that's all. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you next week.